Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Wanted to make this video because when you upload a search-based video, there is one thing that is important to do, and there is one thing that you do that is really useful, and I want to show it to you guys. So what is important when uploading a video on YouTube is that when you upload the video, the section publish to subscriptions feed and notify subscribers is unchecked. Because what happens is that someone watches one of your videos, they like it and subscribe to your channel. But if you don't uncheck this section and you upload, for example, 10 videos a day about all kinds of subjects like Cash App, FIFA 24, and Shopify, then the subscriber will get notified 10 times a day that you uploaded the video about all kinds of subjects that doesn't interest him, and he will unsubscribe. You're gonna lose a lot of subscribers. I will show you later in the video where to uncheck this section. The second thing that is useful when uploading a video is I always get the questions, guys, how do you do the tags? And we use a really simple free tool for this named rapidtags.io. So let me show you how to use it, and let me show you how to upload a search-based video on YouTube. Yes, we are on YouTube, and this is actually my first ever cash cow channel, Space Media. Started it in January 2022, then monetized it in March 2022. Eventually switched to some other niches and never really did anything anymore with the channel. But nice to see it was my first channel. Now, to upload a search-based video on YouTube, what we need to do is go here in the top right corner to create, select upload videos, select files. Here, choose the video. Awesome. The video title is how to change location on iPhone iOS 17. What I always do is I make every first letter of a word a capital letter, like this. The description, we keep it really simple, just like this. What you can also do is add here a link so that people can subscribe to your channel. I normally don't even do that. Upload here the thumbnail. Scroll down. To add the tags, copy the title, then go to rapidtags.io. Click here on Use Tag Generator. Enter the title, copy tags, paste them here, Ctrl V. Awesome, scroll down. And here you see the section publish to subscription feed and notify subscribers. Uncheck this so that your subscribers will not get a notification when you upload a video. And that's all what we need to do here. Click on next, click on next, next. To upload a video, click here on public, or if you don't want to upload the video immediately, you can schedule it here. Select your date, select your time. I'm just gonna upload it immediately, public, publish. And if we just wait to 100%, then the video is uploaded. What is the best upload time, or what is the best upload sequence? The most important thing is to upload good quality videos and as much videos as you can. This is gonna make you money. We don't have like a magic upload time. We always upload around 9 p.m. and then we upload all the videos a few minutes apart. So guys, I hope this video was helpful, and then I see you in the next one.